Hello, how do you solve this exponential problem? This is t to the power of t to the power of 5, and this equals 5. Now, we are going to solve this using two different methods. The first method is, if you consider the fact that we have 5 here at the exponent, then we can decide to raise each part of this equation to the power of 5. That means I have t to the power of t to the power of 5. This is raised to the power of 5, and this equals 5 to the power of 5. Why are we doing this way, or why are we doing it this way? It's simply because if I consider t to be 1, then I'm going to have 1 to the power of 1 to the power of 5. Then this will not give me 5. Because 1 power of 5 is 1, I have 1 power 1, which is not 5. And 1 power 1 is 1, which is not 5. Now, if you consider t to be 2, then if you insert 2 here, you are going to have a number that is far greater than 5. So that means we need to solve it this way. Then, the next step we are going to take using this method of solving is for us to consider this t power 5 as a unit. In this case, we consider m, and the 5, another unit, we have m. So, in the case of a power n raised to the power of m, this equals a power n raised to the power of n. So, we are simply going to have t, which is the base here. And if you observe, the n here is now outside the bracket, while the m here is now inside the bracket. So there's a change of powers. So the 5 here will come inside this bracket. We have t power 5 raised to the power of the t power 5 here will come outside the bracket, which is we have t power 5 here. And this equals 5 to the power of 5. Now from here, you agree with me that the t power 5 here is the same as t power 5 here, and the 5 here is the same as the 5 here. So if we go ahead and apply this identity, we have a power a, and this equals b power b. That means a equals b. So we can also say that t to the power of 5 equals 5. So from here, we can solve for t by eliminating this 5 and making t to be alone. I can have t power 5 raised to the power of 1 over 5, because I want to eliminate that 5 there, equals 5 raised to the power of 1 over 5. Now, if I have a power n raised to the power of m, this equals a power n times m. So from here, I'll simply multiply this out. I will have t 5 times 1, this is 5 divided by 5, equals 5 power 1 over 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1. I can have t equals 5 power 1 over 5. This can be our answer. Or, if you have a power n divided by m, this is just like writing the m root of a power n. So we can apply the same identity here. You will have the fifth root of 5 power 1. And 5 power 1 is 5. So this will simply mean we are going to have the fifth root of 5. So this becomes our answer. Now, this is one method of solving this exponential problem. Let's solve it again making use of natural log. I have t power 5 equals 5. I can start by saying let x equals t power 5. If that is the case, that means this will become x. Next step will be to replace x with t power 5. So I'm going to have t power x equals 5. At this point, I can make use of natural log. I have natural log of t power x equals natural log of 5. Now, if you have log of a power b, this equals b times log a. That means if you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. So that means the x here will come behind this. So we have x times natural log of t equals natural log of 5. So from here, I multiply this out. I have x times natural log of t equals natural log of 5. Now, let's get back to this particular equation that connects them. If t power x equals 5, or let me make use of this one here. If x equals t power 5, then I can make t the subject of this equation. So I can simply have t power 5 raised to the power of 1 over 5, because I want to isolate t, equals x power 1 over 5. From here, I multiply this exponent. I can have t, 5 times 1, that is 5. 5 divided by 5, that is 1. T simply equals x power 1 over 5, right? So t equals x power 1 over 5. I come over here. I have x times ln, instead of writing t equals x power 1 over 5. I'll write it here. X power 1 over 5 equals ln 5. Now going back to the same identity, ln a power b equals b times ln a. 1 over 5 comes behind this, multiplying this x, so we have 1 over 5 times x times ln x equals ln 5. From here, 1 over 5 times x, this is x divided by 5 of ln x equals ln 5. I can decide to multiply this by 5. 5 multiplies this, 5 multiplies this. From here, 5 times ln 5, this is 5 ln 5 equals 5 times this. We are going to have 5x divided by 5 times ln x. So from here, 5 cancel 5. I have x times ln x equals 5 ln 5. What do you see here? X and 5, ln x and ln 5. So we can compare, and that means our x equals 5. What then was our x? Recall, x equals what? X equals t power 5, right? We have x equals t power 5, meaning that this x here is t power 5 equals 5. I can solve for t by multiplying the exponent by 1 over 5. I have t power 5 raised to the power of 1 over 5 equals 5 power 1 over 5. I multiply the exponent again. Remember, a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times m. So I'm going to have t power 5 times 1. that is 5. 5 divided by 5, cancel out, equals 5 power 1 over 5. Or, consider the same identity. This will be the 5th root of 5. Right? Remember, this will cancel this. So, this is another method of solving it. Now, the next thing we are going to do will be to check by inserting this value for t, which is our t is simply what? The 5th root of 5, or 5 power 1 over 5. That's our answer. So the question remains t power 5 equals 5. So let's insert it right here. We will have 5 power 1 over 5 raised to the power of 5 power 1 over 5. Then this also is raised to the power of 5 here. Is this equals 5? We can apply this identity a power n raised to the power of m equals a power n times n. 1 over 5 will multiply 5. This cancel this. So we have 5 left. So that means we are simply going to have 5 raised to the power of 1 over 5. And this is raised to the power of this cancel this. We have 5. Will this give us 5? We still consider this identity again. 5 times 1, 5, cancel this again. So we have 5 equals 5. So guys, this is how you can solve this exponential equation using any of the methods, either natural log or you use the first method of comparing. So guys, that is it. Thank you and goodbye.